Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So I have a trip coming up soon, and in previous times I am known to be an overpacker. I always pack unnecessary stuff. Like, trust me, the last 2 to 3 times I traveled, I packed what I wasn't supposed to. I packed stuff that I didn't use. I packed shoes that I never used. I packed clothes that never came out of the box. And so this time around, I'm traveling with a personal item bag. So it's just a backpack, and everything I'm going to need for a couple of days will be inside this bag. And I see lots of people on YouTube trying out these backpacks and really encouraging people to be as minimal as possible when you're traveling, especially around Europe, because really there's so much to do, so much to see. Last thing you want to think about is excess luggage, excess boxes in the airport, on your way to the hotel, and just, and another thing is losing boxes or missing boxes with the airlines. So I had an experience last year when we traveled to Germany, and we came back without our bags, and our bags didn't get to us till like a month after, like about a month or over a month after we got our bags from Lufthansa. And it was a very terrible period. I mean, I just had a fantastic holiday, and trust me, we didn't have our bags when we got back to Germany. We didn't see the bags. My husband told me, because we had air tags in the bags, so importance of air tags as well. But we had air tags in the bags, and my husband said he saw that the bags were not with us on the plane, but he didn't want to panic me. Anyways, we found out when we got to Germany, and we didn't have clothes, we didn't have toiletries, nothing at all the souvenirs we got, everything. The only thing we had was our handbag that probably had like laptop and what else, even I can't even remember. Yeah, so imagine just having your backpack. You walk into the plane, you're not doing any checking in, you're not doing any of those things. This particular bag is going to fit the under the seat in front of us, or we can put it up there if there's space. I don't have to think about losing my bag or my bag not coming with me, because my bag is going to be with me all the time. Let me show what the bag is. So it came in this pack, and let me read what it says. It says, stop wasting money on baggage fees. So the measures are 40 by 20 by 25 cm, and it fits under the seat of most airlines. I mean, that's what is written here. This is the bag. I know it looks very small, but trust me, everything I need to carry is going to fit into this bag. And it has so many compartments already, and I'm sure they'll all be useful. It has this one. I think this is for wires and chargers and things like that. It has this hole here for a power bank. It also has this compartment that goes all the way inside, and I think one of my favorite parts of this bag is the fact that it can also be carried it could be carried like this, and it could be carried like this. And it also has this part here, where I think I can just put my phone, my passport, and then it has a space here, and this is for my laptop. The thing is, I was a bit skeptical about buying a bag that has the laptop space at the back, but eventually I've come to terms with it, and I can see that it's actually very padded, so it will be able to, my laptop is going to be safe here and also protected from theft. So now let me show you the main part of the bag, which is this one, and this is where the bulk of my stuff will enter. And it's so, like, if you raise this up right now, it goes all the way up, and so I'm pretty sure that it can take a lot of stuff. I mean, how many things am I even traveling with? Look at this. So I'll just get right to packing, and I'll take you along. So I'm going to be away for about 5 days. So I packed 2 trousers, the black one, the blue one, and because I'm also wearing the blue jeans to travel, so that's going to be the third trouser. And I also packed 4 or 5 shirts actually, and I packed my liquids bag. I also packed my camera. I packed a small makeup purse. I packed my sandals and of course underwear in the little small box that you can see. So what is inside my liquids bag? I have antiperspirant for the 2 of us. I have hair cream, a little perfume bottle. I also have body lotion. I have sunscreen as well, and some first aid in there. I have my makeup bag, but trust me, I didn't even use that bag. I even regret carrying it because that could have been space to carry maybe shorts or something. I also packed my pajamas and 3 pairs of socks, my black fanny pack. I'm carrying it because that's what I'm going to put my camera in, my phone in, my wipes, my tissue, and little things that I need to carry while I'm out exploring. I have this because these to transfer files, and I'm just going to put my wires and every other thing in here. I still have my toothbrush, and I think that's about the only toiletry, toothbrush and toothpaste that I'm going to pack in here. And see, there's still some space here. It feels like I haven't even used up all the space in the bag. And one very important essential for me that I have to take is my water bottle, because when we travel we do a lot of walking. We always have to take our water bottles with us. How easily this can fit in. And okay, I'm still going to fit in some stuff like my toothbrush, my chargers, and some other things, and I think they can really fit into the rest of the space that is here. Ready to go. This is about to be very interesting. And yes, I do have space for 1 or 2 souvenirs. So what we do, souvenirs are more of pictures and some little things that to just show that, oh yes, we came to this place. And I'll put the link to this bag in my description. I got it on Amazon, and I'll just put a link to the bag in my description, and then you can check it out if you want it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.